We have all heard how breakfast is the most important meal of the day and how it is important to set the tone of the day right and stay energized. The problem? Mornings are busy. There are even days when crawling out of bed becomes a tedious task. So let's not even talk about a sit-down breakfast when we're always running late or are already in work mode. Fixing up a gourmet-style breakfast for yourself is almost next to impossible. But is skipping breakfast a wise thing to do? Did you know that skipping breakfast makes your metabolism slow? You are more likely to feel an energy dip. You start developing crazy carb cravings and you might even end up gaining weight. Now, are you worried about how you would make this work? I have a simple mantra. When life gets busy, make-ahead recipes are a lifesaver. So, here are some easy peasy breakfast ideas to get you started. The super grain amaranth or Rajgira is the most underrated superfood in our country. Rajgira or Ramdana is a part of our fasting rituals, but there are numerous reasons why they should be a part of your daily diet. It has twice the amount of calcium when compared to milk, is a major source of protein, rich in fiber and has multiple vitamins and minerals. Puffed Rajgira grains are your ideal replacement to the sugar-laced cereal. Here's how to make your mornings more energized. Puffed Rajgira 3 teaspoons, milk 3/4 jar, cocoa powder 1 teaspoon and chopped nuts 1 teaspoon. Add 3 teaspoons of puffed Rajgira in a mason jar. Fill the jar with milk and add some chopped nuts and cocoa powder for that chocolatey palate feel. And you're good to go. Eggs make an ideal breakfast and is the most comfy and heartwarming ingredient to start your day with. They give your day a head start with a complete protein profile. They give you the good kind of fat and a boost of vitamins and minerals. Now, boiled eggs every day can get boring. So try these amazing egg muffins that can be eaten or stored in the refrigerator for a later day. Blend or whisk eggs with all your favorite ingredients. I personally use onions, garlic, spinach, corn, and some cheese. Any leftovers from the fridge are doable as well. Whisk them together, pour the mixture into muffin tins and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. They'll be done in a jiffy and you are sorted for the whole week. Apart from the fancy sounding name, this can be an ideal antioxidant boost for your body every morning. A perfect combination of curd, fruit and nuts, this on-the-go breakfast is good for your tummy, keeps your skin radiant, makes your bones healthy and gives you a metabolism boost. In a takeaway bowl, add some fruit, layer it with curd and place your second fruit over it. Add some nuts, sabja seeds or granola over this and you're good to go. There will be days when you will run out of your pre-prepped breakfast options, leaving you confused. Worry not, we've got your back. Toast a slice of bread, spread some fruit jam or nut butter on it, chia seeds or flax seeds on top, and here's your breakfast on the go. Hate chomping on fruits and vegetables when trying to eat healthy? Why not just blend them and slurp away to good health? All you've got to do is chop 1 apple, 1 carrot, juice from half a lemon and some mint leaves. Blend them together and pour it in a takeaway jar and you are on your way to a healthier you. Believe me, waking up to this healthy smoothie recipe can be the best thing you do for your body. These quick and on-the-go recipes will kickstart your day in a wholesome and nutritious way. Try these and never have a boring breakfast ever again. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.